Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a full face of Fenty video, and this is gonna be fall edition because I was looking at the camera. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a full face of Fenty fall edition. Say that 3 times fast. But anyway, I like how everything came out. I didn't really know exactly what I wanted to do, but I knew I was putting on this lip girl. I knew that was happening. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm a new channel, so I'm trying to build a family here. Thank you guys for watching. We are going to do a full face of Fenty, and if you saw my makeup collection organization, you know that I have a lot of Fenty, and it's like one of my top 3 or top 2 brands. So I'm going to use as much Fenty as possible. I'm going to use my Fenty brushes here and here whenever the occasion calls for it, and I'm going to, if there's something that I need to use that Fenty doesn't have, I'll just go ahead and use another one, because we all know that they don't have a primer, water, like a setting spray, lashes, mascara, stuff like that, moisturizer. So I already moisturized my face, and I used the Clinique Dramatically Different. I'm going to use the Pro Kisser lip balm on my lips. And I would say that I used a scrub, but I didn't because I had one, but it fell in the toilet, so I cannot use it. And we're gonna prime with the Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydration Primer. This is my first time using this primer, and I usually just do 1 squirt on each side. It smells good. Another first that we're going to do today is the Fenty Beauty. I don't have to say it's Fenty Beauty. I'm going to use the Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I haven't used this before, and I have 400 because that's the one that I use in the soft matte. I have the foundation brush, so let's see how those two work out. They don't have a primer water yet, so I'm going to use my Smashbox primer water. So let's do the eyes next, and Fenty has 3 palettes to choose from, and you can also use the Kilowatts shade sticks. I'm gonna take Human Get It from the Mark and Spice palette. It's this orange color, on a 210 Fenty blending brush. Use Saffron, this color here. and I'm gonna put that lower than the cumin gibbon. I'm gonna take a low Cornell 3/8 painter brush, but these work really well for eyeshadows, and I'm gonna take Fizz Up, which is the color, it's a dark purple color. It's gonna go on my outer corner. Mars on Fire. And it's just a shimmery orangey duochrome color, and I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna apply that to my lid. I just want to make that a little more orange, so I'm gonna go into my Kilowatt Foil palette and I'm gonna take Coppin Ice. Coppin Ice is this color here, and I'm also going to use my finger just to apply a little bit on top. Okay, so we're done with the ice for now, but we're going to go with the brows and concealer. I have the Brow MVP in dark brown. Instant Retouch concealer, and this is the number 370. So creamy. Honey setting powder. For the rest of the face, I'm going to use Nutmeg, and I have the 170 setting brush. I finished setting my face with the nutmeg powder, and I just put a little bit more honey under my eyes just while we finish up the face. I'm gonna bronze with Mocha Mami. And I thought that I had, oh, I do have it. I'm like, I thought I had the bronzer brush. So I have the 195 bronzer brush, and I haven't used it. I just opened it, so see how it goes. And I love this bronzer. It's perfection. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. Ooh. We're gonna brush this powder away. To line our eyes, we're gonna use the Cause I'm Blake Fly Liner. For our cheeks, we're just going to use a little bit of Penny for You Thoughts. Penny for You Thoughts. Penny for You Thoughts. For highlight, I'm going to use Moscow Mule. Okay, we're not done with that just yet, but we're gonna set what's on our face right now. For lashes, I'm gonna use the Last Dreams. This one. Okay, eyelashes are on, and I'm gonna go back into the Moroccan Spice palette and put some more saffron. We're gonna put saffron under our eye. We have the Benefit Bad Gal Bang and then the Too Faced Damn Girl. This mascara combo is amazing. Just to add a little bit more to my highlight, just to make it a little bit brighter. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use Sandcastle. It's the newest one from that from the holiday collection. And then just a little bit on the highlight. Just a little bit. We're going to use the new Underdog from the holiday set. And I love this. I have been wearing this, girl. It is just so beautiful. Girl, do you see this? Do you see this? Look. Stop playing with me in the comments. Okay, guys, so I think we used a good amount of FENTY. As much FENTY that could be used was used. Oh, I did though. I meant to use my espresso stick to contour, but it's sitting right in front of me and I just forgot to use it. Maybe it's like my scars. Alright guys, so that's all for my full face of FENTY fall edition. This was my first time using the primer, the hydration primer and foundation, so we'll see how that goes. So be sure to leave a like for FENTY products for full faces, and if you just enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments if you guys are gonna go and get the holiday collection. And if I think Sephora is having a sale like right now, so I really like these lashes too. I got these online. Let's see if